Today's daily combo as well as daily cipher for Gemz airdrop. Alright, so I'm just going to take this very fast. So we head to the mine tab and we start to pick our cards one after the other. The first card for today is under the get tab, and that is okay. Let's scroll down and radio this particular one. So the second card for today is also under this tab, and that is, I need to look for that E. Okay, these are the hardware wallets. This will only be active if you have this particular card, tools bag to level 9, else you won't be able to have that. So you have to upgrade your tool bag to level 9 for you to have hardware wallets. Okay, so I'll head back to hardware wallet, and I just want to show you tool bag. So you need to have this to level 9 before you can have this particular card active. So I'm going to click on get it, and the last card for today is under the specials tab, which is Ethereum ETF. So I'll click on this and get it as well. Then we have our 5 million rewards for today. All right, let's head back for our daily cipher. In this particular daily cipher, you can see it has 51 minutes before it expires, because that is that of yesterday, which is actually BIP 39. So for B is long, short, short. I don't know if I have my long. Okay, then for I is short, short. Then P is short, long, long, short, short, long, long, short for P. And 3 is 3 short and 2 long. 1, 2, 3, long, long for 3. Okay, and 9, which is long, 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 short, short for 9. That is long, 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 a single short. So we have 4 longs, 1, 2, 3, 4, then followed by a single short for 9. So that forms our daily cipher for that. Alright, thank you. If you find this very helpful, please like this video, and if you're yet to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you.